In this video, we're going to talk about the data type called boolean. This data type can only hold a value of either true or false. If we have a look at this example, like in the previous ones, we have to use the data type, the name of the variable, the assignment operator, and then the value. Like I said before, it can be either true or false. Okay, so if we have a look at the instructions, it tells us to create a variable called int can hold decimals and set it to true if the int type can hold a decimal number. Set it to false if the int type cannot do this. So as a quick reminder, int holds only whole numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7. The double, which is the decimal one, holds numbers with decimal points, so 21.3 for example. We're gonna create, like our instructions require us, boolean. We're gonna call we're gonna create a variable called int can hold decimals of type boolean, and we're gonna set it to false. Okay, now our next instruction tells us to print out this variable that we just created. Like in the previous examples, I'm going to use the system.out.println. I'm going to end it with a semicolon, and inside here I'm going to put our variable that we just created here on line 4.